Hello everyone, welcome to the Steno success classes. Be ready for the shorthand dictation at the speed of 80 words per minute. Exercise number 15, part 2. Start. Threshold limit for presumptive taxation of business was raised from rupees 1 crore to 2 crore. The benefit of presumptive taxation was extended for the first time to small professionals, fixing threshold limit at rupees 50 lakh. In order to promote a less cash economy, the presumptive profit rate has been reduced from 8% to 6%. The tax rate for companies with turnover of up to rupees 250 crore, covering almost 99% of the companies, was reduced to 25%, which was also applicable to new manufacturing companies without any turnover limits. The goods and services tax reforms lingered on during the previous government for almost a decade. Our government implemented the GST, which is undoubtedly the biggest taxation reform undertaken since independence. 17 different taxes levied by the central and state governments with cascading effect of tax on tax were consolidated into one GST. India became a common market. GST has resulted in increased tax base, higher collections, and ease of trade. Para. This will reduce the interface between the taxpayer and the government for day to day operations and assessments. Now, returns are fully online and e-way bill system is in place. Interstate movements have become faster, more efficient, and hassle free with no entry tax, checkposts, and truck queues. The high taxation levied on multiple commodities in the pre GST regime has been rationalized, and the burden on the consumer, especially the poor and the middle class, has been significantly reduced. The GST Council, comprising the center and states, finalized the GST rates collectively mostly lower than pre GST rates. Since then, GST has been continuously reduced, providing relief of about rupees 80,000 crore annually to consumers. Most items of daily use of the poor and middle class are now in the 0% or 5% tax slab. Cinema goers who were subjected to multiple taxes up to 50% are mostly paying much lower tax at 12% now. Our government wants the GST burden on home buyers to be reduced, and accordingly we have moved the GST Council to appoint a group of ministers to examine and make recommendations in this regard at the earliest. GST aims to benefit small traders, manufacturers, and service providers. Exemptions from GST for small businesses has been doubled from rupees 20 lakh to rupees 40 lakh. Further, small businesses having turnover up to rupees 1.5 are under attractive composition scheme now. Stop.